Now to access your fog light, you're going to need to get underneath the corner of your bumper. As you look underneath it, you're going to see that it has a nice shield. Ours, of course, is broken, so that's something to pay attention to, but essentially what we want to do is be able to get this shield down. So whatever mounting bolts you happen to see that are making it so it doesn't come down, go ahead and remove them and pull it down. Go onto this, pull it down. Let's go ahead and grab onto this tab right here. You can squeeze it, then you can draw your wiring harness off of there. You can see that you have the wiring mounted onto here. Go ahead and use a little fork tool and get it off of there. Now, like I said up here, you're going to find that there's another push clip. It looks as though it should have had something attached to it. Ours does not, but essentially just go ahead and pop that off as well. Start removing our mounting bolts. Grab onto the assembly and remove it from the car. Now it's going to be time to get our brand new assembly in here. Obviously, it's a good idea to go ahead and put in a brand new bulb. Get this lined up with its mounting area. Let's go ahead and start in one bolt. Once you have all of your bolts started, go ahead and start snugging them up. Now we're only screwing into plastic, so you want to make sure you don't go too tight. As soon as it bottoms out, just go a teeny bit extra and that's enough. You don't want to strip out the plastic insert. Okay, so if you had your little tab up here to hold the wires, make sure you go ahead and put that back in and then reattach it. After you're done that, we're going to reconnect our connector for the bulb. Listen for a click, give it a nice little tug. You want to make sure that's completely secured. Now, of course, we want to make sure that the rest of the wiring's secured. This would push right up inside there. And then this one over here is going to go right in along the front. So now that we're all set under there, let's continue on by putting back on our little cover here.